What are the top three trends in developer relations today?
Oh, one big trend, I think, content creation. I think the way that the end of the day, every developer tries to create content on the specific topic of their choice. So content creation through AI is one big area. And then, I think there are many tools who are helping to kind of like solve some of the community issues through kind of like, automation. I think that's one big trend. And also like one another, again, relating to the go-to-market kind of a thing. There is an because of the current situation or end of the zero interest rate phenomena and other ways, like a lot of orgs are not investing, say in DevRel or like growing the community because it's long tail, it takes time. So they actively want to kind of like build on top-down sales kind of a motion, and then that's where I think also it's a trend that I see a lot of DevRels are losing a job, but also like you could stay relevant if you do things that the team eventually wants. If you could properly put yourself in the line of revenue in some way, still not hurting your community, I think there's a chance, but then it's really hard. So those are the three large trends that I see: AI and community building automation, and then uh, yeah.